Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Hub, the place where learning English feels simple, relaxed, and enjoyable. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily, and a very warm hello to all our wonderful listeners watching and listening from different parts of the world. Emily, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling really good, Paul. A bit busy as usual, but excited to spend this time with our listeners and share something useful. How about you?
I'm feeling great as well. Energized, focused, and ready to talk about English that people can actually use in real life.
Exactly. And that's what today's lesson is all about. Today, everyone, we're going to explore common everyday English words, the kind of words native speakers use naturally without even thinking.
That's right. These are not difficult or fancy words, but they are extremely powerful. When you start using them, your English sounds smoother, more confident, and more natural.
Think of these words as small tools that help your conversations flow better. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to Mr. English channel if you enjoy learning English with us.
Your support really motivates us to keep creating helpful content. All right, Emily, shall we begin?
Absolutely. Let's get started.
Let's start with words we often use at work or when talking about daily tasks and responsibilities.
Great idea. These words are very useful when you want to explain what you're doing or how busy you are.
The first word is actually.
Yes, actually is extremely common. For example, you can say, actually, I'm working right now.
It's often used to correct information politely or to explain the real situation.
Exactly. You might say, I thought the meeting was today, but actually it's tomorrow.
It sounds gentle, not rude. That's why native speakers love using it.
Our next word is probably.
Probably means something is very likely but not completely certain.
For example, I'll probably finish my work later this evening.
Or, it will probably rain today.
You're not 100% sure, but you have a strong feeling.
Now let's talk about kind of and sort of.
These are great when you don't want to sound too strong or direct.
You might say, I'm kind of tired today.
Or, the movie was sort of boring.
It means a little or somewhat.
Right. You're softening your opinion, which sounds more natural and polite.
Another very useful phrase is deal with.
Yes. Deal with means to manage or handle a situation or problem.
For example, I have to deal with many emails every day.
Or, she deals with customer complaints at work.
It's very common in professional and everyday situations.
And finally, we have schedule.
Your schedule is your plan, your meetings, tasks, and appointments.
You might say, my schedule is very full today.
Or let me check my schedule before I confirm.
Now let's move on to words that make daily conversations more natural.
First up, guess what?
This is perfect for sharing news or exciting information.
For example, guess what? I got a new job.
It immediately grabs attention and creates curiosity.
Next, we have by the way.
By the way is used to add extra information or change the topic slightly.
You might say, by the way, did you see my message?
It feels very smooth and natural in conversation.
Then we have anyway.
Anyway helps you return to the main topic or end a discussion politely.
For example. Anyway, let's get back to work.
Or, anyway, I should go now.
Very useful in daily life.
Another powerful phrase is I mean.
Yes, I mean is used to clarify or explain your thoughts.
You might say, it's not bad, I mean, it's just not my favorite.
It helps you sound thoughtful and natural.
Let's talk about home life now.
A very common word is leftovers.
Leftovers are food you didn't finish and save for later.
For example, we're having leftovers for dinner.
Another common word is messy.
Messy means not clean or not organized.
My room is messy today.
And the opposite would be tidy.
Finally, we have fix.
Fix means to repair something.
I need to fix the sink.
Now let's talk about words we use with phones and the internet.
First, log in and log out.
Login means entering your account.
Log out means leaving it safely.
Next, scroll.
Scroll means moving up or down on a screen.
And then upload and download.
Download brings files to your device.
Upload sends files online.
Let's talk about emotions now.
First word, annoyed.
Annoyed means a little angry or bothered.
Next is excited.
Excited means very happy and eager.
And finally, frustrated.
Frustrated means feeling upset because something isn't working.
Now for shopping and city words.
First, checkout.
It can mean look at something or pay at a store.
Next, run out of.
It means there is nothing left.
And finally, take a look.
It means to look at something briefly.
Wow, Paul. We covered so many useful everyday English words today.
Yes, these words can truly improve daily conversations.
Try using them little by little in your own life.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Leave a comment and tell us which word you use the most.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
See you next time on the English Hub.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and keep practicing.